Hello, today's topic is ceilings, but before getting started, there is a common mistake that I got used to get tripped in frequently, which is pressing or selecting on the ceiling plan view instead of pressing or selecting the floor plan view. To illustrate this, I will go to the floor plan view level 1 for example. I can see walls from level 1 to level 2 and a slab or a floor at level 1. However, if I go to the ceiling floor plan and level 1, which takes the same name as the floor plan view, of course we can rename it, but for now I will click level 1 but ceiling floor plan view. I can only see the walls from level 1 to level 2, but the slab or the floor which was created at level 1, I cannot see it anymore. This is because the floor plan view is a looking down plan view. The ceiling floor plan is a looking up floor plan. That's why I cannot see the floor at level 1. To create a full ceiling, it is recommended to go to a floor plan view level 1 for example. Then go to architecture, ceiling. There are two options, automatic ceiling and sketch ceiling. In case of automatic ceiling, I only click on the floor plan level 1 and scale. Now I get my full ceiling automatically. On the other hand, in case of sketch ceiling, we need to sketch our full ceiling in a closed loop. So if I use, for example, pick walls, so I would pick that wall and then finish edit mode. I get my full ceiling by sketching and defining the boundary of my full ceiling. Very important is to set the ceiling constraints while creating the ceiling, either by automatic ceiling or sketch ceiling. For example, automatic ceiling. We need to go to the properties, constraint. This is our floor plan level 1 and this is the height offset from level 1. And we can set that value to be 2 meters and then OK. If we go to our section view, this is our full ceiling offsetting from our base level 1 with 2 meters as shown. As usual, if we need to modify the profile of our ceiling, we select the ceiling and change its profile. We notice that there is no ceilings selected. So even if I select everything, it doesn't show. To select our ceiling, in order to modify its profile, I go to the section and select the ceiling from the section view. Edit boundary. Revit would ask me which view you want to open. So I would choose floor plan level 1. Open that floor plan level 1. Now I can edit the profile of my full ceiling. For example, I might create a void. In 3D view, I find that this is my full ceiling and this is the void I created. Of course, if I want to change the construction properties of my full ceiling, I select on that, go to the properties and edit type, always duplicate, rename it, for example, example 1, and edit its structure. Then we can change its structural layer to, for example, 0.06 meter and change its finish layer into, for example, 0.03 meter. OK. Apply. OK. Now this is our own type of full ceiling with new thicknesses of finish and structure. Also, we can change the appearance of our tiled ceiling to become a plain ceiling. From edit type, this is our own ceiling type, which is example 1, and then structure, edit. From material, this is our finish material, which is acoustic ceiling tile. I will change it to a plain false ceiling, and here I can choose, for example, analytical floor surface. Okay, apply. Okay, I go to my floor level 1. I notice there is no tiles. Same process as floors. We can create a sloped ceiling. We simply select our ceiling, edit boundary, open the view we need, which is floor plan level 1. Go to the slope arrow. This is our tail, and this is our head. I will keep the height of tail at 0.3 meter, then finish edit mode. If I go to my section, I get my slope ceiling as shown. Finally, we come to the end of our topic today. Please like this video if you find it helpful.